Let me follow, take the taxi then. Then take the car to the mechanic. Okay. What is wrong with you? Excuse me? My friend, come out from there. Get out.
What?
Get out!
Adam!
Come out from there!
Sorry,
Is
Mama.
something wrong
I have
with you?
to bulldoze my way to somewhere, please. I'm really sorry.
Excuse me? My friend, get out from there. Get out from that car. Get out, I said! Are you deaf or something?
Madam, stop now. I got here before you, didn't I? And the last time I checked, this is a taxi, not your private car that can exercise entitlement over.
Don't you have manners?
Madam, please shift away. What's
Who trained you? Don't you have manners?
Madam, let me...
Don't you have manners? Oh, you want to drag with me? You want to drag?
Okay, I'll go, babe. Go, please.
Good day, ma.
Yes, good day. What's your name?
Helen Duru.
Helen Duru. Your perspective is?
Actual accountant.
Can I see your file? Small world indeed, isn't it?
Babe.
What is it?
What is it? You're late.
What's the time?
Past 7.
Ma, I don't understand. The brake is not catching well again.
No. You see? If you had serviced the Land Cruiser, I wouldn't be facing this. I didn't want to go out with this car. I told you.
I'm sorry, ma. Let me call the mechanic to bring the Land Cruiser. It should be ready by now.
I can't wait for that. I have a business to catch up. I can't wait for that. Get me a taxi.
Okay, one just behind us. There's a taxi behind us, Mike. Just come down.
Oh.
Yes.
Let me follow. Take the taxi then. Then take the car to the mechanic.
Okay.
What is wrong with you? Excuse me? My friend, come out from there. Get out. Get out.
Adam!
Come out from there.
Sorry,
Is
Mama.
something wrong
I have
with you?
to bulldoze my way to somewhere. Please, I'm really sorry.
Excuse me. My friend, get out from there. Get out from that car. Get out, I said. Are you there for something?
Madam, stop now. I got here before you, didn't I? And the last time I checked, this is a taxi, not your private car that can exercise entitlement over.
Don't you have manners?
Madam, please shift abeg. What's
Who trained you? Don't you have manners?
Madam, let me.
Don't you have manners? Oh, you want to drag with me? You want to drag?
Okay, go abeg. Go, please.
Please, can you move your bag?
It's not mine.
Hi, please move your bag. I want to sit.
And where do you expect me to keep it? Eh? No, I'm asking you. Can't you see those are important documents?
If the documents are that important, create space on your lap, or better still, keep it on the floor. I need to sit.
Sister, move your bag now.
Please stop yelling. People will come later and I won't inconvenience others. Rubbish.
Hi, has anyone been interviewed?
Nobody has gone in yet. The HR said the CEO will handle this part herself. I presume she's not ready for us yet.
Thank God. I was really rushing. I thought I was late.
Good day, ma'am.
Yes, good day. What's your name?
Helen Duru.
Helen Duru. Your perspective is?
Actual accountant.
Can I see your file? Small world indeed, isn't it? Impressive. Sit.
Babe, are you okay? Get away from me. This is all your fault.
I'm sorry now.
Sincerely, just believe me, I did not mean for you to miss your interview. I just needed an alcohol buddy. If I had known you would miss it, I would probably, maybe, wouldn't have drank, I guess. But anyway, I did not mean for you to miss it.
So did the alcohol solve any problem? Instead, we just got migraines and I had a shitty day. Look, you have to stop turning to alcohol for help. Or at least stop dragging me into it, please.
I'm sure someone else, or even you in my shoes, you would have been depressed. Okay, imagine somebody scamming you of 1.2 million naira. Just imagine that kind of thing. You don't expect me not to feel bad or feel down.
It's true, Sha. God will punish those people. I swear.
Better thunder. Better thunder that don't have mother and father will punish that guy. You know, I've been saying this thing that ever since I knew myself as an adult, I'm suspect there's somebody I'm suspecting. Eh? That man never liked me in my village. You're following me from my village. I can tell you this. I can tell you this thing. You're following me from my village. Because how? Where? You see, that's why I want to travel. I'm just preparing my documents. I just want to go. I see money now. Yankee.
Oh, well, that's the spirit of my American doctor.
Yes, so. But still, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babes. I wish you had the job, though. I wish you had that job, eh? At least we would have seen money that we use and solve our problems. We have lots of problems. I am owing. You know, say I owe for this phone now. Is it by they disturb me? I need that money.
I didn't miss the interview.
So what now happened? Why can't they blame me? Why were you blaming me?
Remember Patrick Ifoma? FCA now, the seminar I've been saving up for.
Oh, your mentor now, the one in accounting field, yeah? What happened?
She carried out the interview. She is the CEO of the insurance firm.
Are you serious? That's good news. So, did you tell her how much you admire her? Don't tell me you went there. Don't tell me you went there and you got starstruck.
Babe, you can't imagine what happened. You know, I dragged taxi with this woman while on my way to the company. Actually, I even shoved her out of the way to board the taxi myself.
Jesus. Your village people is following you. Why were you now upset with me? This is what you call, you chop the hand that fed you, Abi? You bite the hand.
Please, can you just reduce your voice? Reduce your voice now.
What were you expecting me to do? Now you caused the thing now. If these people come to carry my phone, it's you. Why would you do that kind of thing now? Why would you do it?
Wait, come to think of this, was it not you that said I should bulldoze my way through? I just followed your advice now.
I told you to go and chase your madam away from the car or a taxi. No. I cannot do that kind of mistake. This one is on you. It's basically on you. Because you don't expect, you know rich people. Let me just tell you the truth now. Rich people, they don't forgive easily. Just forget it. That job has gone. They don't forgive easily now. Were you expecting her to accept you? I sister, you are dreaming. So we have to just look for something to make money because we have rent too. We have bills, girl.
This is a very big mess. I don't resume my life tired today. Like, what kind of nemesis is this? Huh?
Who's that?
Stop it.
Ellen, when would you stop ignoring this guy's calls? Or when would you stop letting this guy's calls be wasting? Why would you ignore this guy's calls? Why?
Babe, look, I promised myself that I will get this job first before anything. I can't commit myself to a relationship while I don't even have a source of income. Come on, I can't do that.
So, being hard on yourself would get you the job, or ignoring his calls will get you the job? Which of them? You need to start talking. Like, there are no good guys outside. Let me just tell you the truth, because streets know they smile, and you know it. Streets know they smile. I don't understand why you go leave fresh guy like that.
Miriam, now job or big guy be your problem. What is wrong with you? Which one is it?
The both of them.
Are you sure you're my friend?
Your enemy.
That's better, because I don't understand you again. No. Talking about job, you're talking about work.
Who is your enemy?
Leave me alone, I beg.
Oh,
Hello, beautiful.
hi. Please come in.
Thank you.
Are these mine?
No, for Miriam actually, and you mustn't take a bite. Just kidding. Yeah, sorry for showing up unannounced. You ain't taking my calls or replying my text messages. You left me with no choice.
I've just been quite busy.
I take it that the interview didn't go well. Right? Do you want to talk about it?
It was just embarrassing. Can we just skip that part for now?
Okay. As Her Majesty pleases. Yeah, so I won't be staying for long. I've got a meeting to attend, so just stop by to say hello and check up on you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Helen, don't be too hard on yourself, okay? The interview didn't go well. Let it go. Huh? You can rant to me if you want to. There's no pressure. You did something. You gave yourself an ultimatum, before taking this relationship to the next level. We do getting a job thing. And there's absolutely no pressure on my end.
I know.
Yeah. Then please, don't block me off when things go bad. I'm here for you, okay? You can lean on me. I want you to. Yeah? Sorry, excuse me. Right. I have to run along now. My friends, the one I'm supposed to, the ones I'm supposed to start the new startup with, they're waiting for me. I have a meeting. Okay. So I have to go. So I can stay for long.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't ignore my calls.
I won't.
Reply my messages. Especially the reels I sent you on IG. Alright.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
Helen, Shana, this month you remain for me. Wait till me this now. Why would you remain 3 pizza for me now? So you know how many pizza is inside this thing? Just meant 3. Just 3.
Miriam, why are you such an ingrate? So 3 slices of pizza out of 8 is not good enough for you, Abby?
Wow. 3 slices of... Just imagine yourself. 3 out of 8. Does it make sense to you? Because please, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know why you don't want to accept that guy. Someone that loves you, that cares for you, and needs to be giving us things like this. Every day, I'll be eating, and I'll be getting fat.
So you want to be getting fat on my head? Babe, you know this thing is not easy now. I don't want to become a burden to someone. I want to stand on my own 2 feet before anything.
Oh, shame. It's independence. Sha don't stop him from coming to the house, at least bringing gifts for us.
Did I stop him? I never did. He didn't even spend much time today. He just breezed in and out.
What were you expecting? After the last time he came and you embarrassed him and told him not to come during the day.
Why would he be visiting me during the day? It just reminded me of how jobless I was. He visited me in the day while my mates are at work.
Okay, what about at night? You also told him not to come at night.
Come on. I just didn't want you to be uncomfortable. It would be weird.
Sister, was I complaining? I was not complaining, no. I don't know why somebody wants to be taking Panadol on top of another person's headache. Does it make sense? Please don't stop the guy from not coming to this house. Don't stop him. Let him be bringing things to this house.
No way.
I don't understand.
Babe, leave guy. I got the job.
Which job?
The interview I went for, I got the job.
Are you serious?
I'm employed. Oh my god, look at it, I got it. Congrats already.
I'm so happy for you.
Guy, my dream life. And can you imagine that the starting salary is 150K? You didn't lie,
Guys, we don't make them. Listen, we have made it. Actually, we've made it. When he's there.
It's there, girl. I always knew that that woman was a good person. Hold grudge, okay? Grudge me.
I never knew there are actually good, forgiving people in this country. I'm telling you. So that means my friend has a job now.
Yes, girl.
Congrats, baby.
Babe, I am so saying yes to Risa tomorrow.
You should have to, baby. Oh, I'm so happy for you.
I finally have a job. Oh my god.
I know, we're going to have money in this house. Money in this house.
Now
to
you're
do
talking.
things. To do things.
You know you're weird, right?
How?
I mean, I've never seen anyone this excited about work.
Who wouldn't be excited to put his or her skill to practice? I mean, when it's not manual labor they're forcing me to do. I can finally get to practice as an actuarial accountant.
Okay. You know, whoever your employer is, they should probably do a burnt offering to them because from now on, I get to call you my girlfriend.
And you're also enjoying a framing because this is my trade.
Hey, slow down, man. Isn't it a bit too early for you to start showing off?
Who cares? I have a salary now. Like, I have an actual source of income.
That's good, but this is day one of our relationship, so it's my treat. And after lunch, I'll take you shopping, I'll take you to the salon, and we'll do whatever you want to do.
Come on. Isn't that too much?
Wait, just see this as prep for your new job. You need to take it seriously.
But
when it's month end, then you can take your boyfriend out and spoil him silly. Sounds like a good plan, yeah? Toast to that.
My friend. Oh my god, stop playing, girl. Stop playing. So don't tell me now, you're going to be finer than your boss. Accountant to pop.
babe, stop that. Please stop it.
Please give me workings, give me workings. Can you see what you've been missing? Just first day of relationship, they're already getting you person's 10 years investments. Yes, now. I've been telling you this thing since.
Don't you think you're overreacting? 10 years?
Stop playing, girl. And it's going to give you more. Because this is just the beginning. It's just trying to test you, and I'm sure of it. It's going to give you more. Look at you. You did a whole makeover.
Yes,
Who
girl.
are you?
My dear,
Helen, who are you?
I am your friend.
Who are you? God. God, when? When? I'm not a spoon. I know I'm the apple of your eye, but I feel like I'm a cockroach. Yeah, I feel like they are using me to play football.
Very stupid.
But I'm happy for you, girl.
Thank you. Like, I look like an actuarial accountant right now. I'm so proud of myself.
Now, you should be proud of yourself, girl. It's just what you got for you. Let me test this one now.
That's what?
This one.
My friend, it's not your size, I beg. What is it?
It's not like I'm going to actually take it. It's just to test. It's not even going to be very fine on me. And I'm sure it's going to be like ugly. But then you know now. Let me just test my friend thing.
Just calm down. I know it's not your size. Very soon it will grow wings and fly into your wardrobe. It's not your size. Alright, give me my thing. Go and buy your own. Well, let's go get a man.
You're a very stingy girl. Because I know that I gave you this plan. Like, it's me that gave you this plan. And then we actually actualized this thing together. And then now, I'm supposed to go and look for a guy.
Yeah, speaking English. You never see anything. Leave me alone.
No problem. I know I actually trained you to do these things. And now you are eating the finger that fed you.
You're very stupid. You trained who?
I'm stupid.
You're a stupid.
You're the one that is stupid. You have gone to go and book fine now. You're insulting me.
Oh, yes. I look so beautiful, girl.
You're a beautiful girl.
Hello.
Hi! I guess you're the second lucky candidate. Congratulations!
Thank you. First day?
No, I resumed last week. I have been expecting the other candidates I'm supposed to share office space with.
It's such a pleasure.
Same
nice
here,
to
baby.
meet you. You look beautiful.
Thank you, and you too. Hi, good morning.
Ejiro, I don't know her position, so please can you help me confirm which one of us is supposed to share the office space with you?
Oh, okay. I'll just ask the HR and get back to you.
Okay.
You are Helen Duru, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, well, the desk is for the actuarial accountant.
Oh.
Helen Duru. This is your uniform. Your position here is a cleaner.
What?
A cleaner, ma'am.
But how?
I was earlier informed that a cleaner will be resuming here today. And I just confirmed from the HR that the job offered to you is that of a cleaner. Congratulations.
No. There must be a mistake somewhere. This can't be.
Miss Helen, there is no mistake anywhere. You can take a look at it. Your name and your position. Helen Duro as the cleaner.
How?
I don't know. I'm sorry. I need to get back to work.
Good morning, Ma. Ma, I believe there's been some mistake.
How may I help you?
I applied for the role of an actual accountant, only for me to get here this morning and be told I was hired as an office cleaner.
And?
Ma, this is not fair. My qualifications exceed that.
And you say this is not fair? Did you say this is not fair? You wanted a job, and the firm offered you what was available, with more than adequate payment. And you say it's not fair? The last I checked, this is my firm. If you feel we have treated you unfairly, our doors are wide open to accommodate your absence. Helen, next time you knock, you wait for a response. This is an office and not a commercial taxi where you barge in at will. Leave my sight. Leave my sight this minute! Get out and shut my door.
This one is too wicked. How can she be that petty?
Me, Helen Duru, a first-class graduate, work as an office cleaner. How? God forbid.
What are you now doing?
Typing my resignation letter, of course.
Excuse you? Why? Are you okay? Don't try it though. Don't try it. Please come to your senses. What are you doing?
Miriam, I should work as an office cleaner. Really?
No offense to your academic accomplishments, okay? But there are millions of Nigerians in diaspora with better qualifications, all right? With less exotic jobs. So what are you saying?
Babe, they chose that. I didn't choose this. What is all of this? Cleaner.
So, you want to resign because your petty boss gave you a job to clean and to wash the toilets. Have you forgotten your actual monthly pay is 150k? Eh? Wait, let me calculate something for you.
What are you calculating?
Wait now, calm down. What's this? What's this now? This is 1.8 million naira per year. This is what you be getting every year. We'll pay our rent 800k. You will have 1 million naira to yourself. Okay, so you want to resign for a job that took us 4 years to get this kind of offer just because of a fancier title. How about now, Helen? Do better.
But Miriam, reason this thing. How do I tell people that I work as an office cleaner? Have you thought about how Ariza will look at me when he finds out that his girlfriend, his so-called girlfriend, is an office cleaner?
Office cleaner, accountant. They're all the same thing, bruh. They're all the same thing. Okay, so you want to tell me now that if you resign, you will also break up with Arinze, and then now will now be 2 jobless girls in the house? Because definitely you would break up with him because you don't want to date a guy when you're not working, right? Is that what you want to do? Helen, this is a miracle job. All right, this is a godsend job, and we can't even waste it. We have to make the best out of it. Do you get? There is dignity in every labor. So you can't tell me you want to lose that job away like that.
What are you doing?
Ma, these are old useless papers.
These old useless papers contains information about people, institution, and industry. Information that can mar them and end us lawsuit once in the wrong hand. You have to shred them properly before being disposed.
I'm sorry, Ma. I didn't know.
How would you know? Of course you didn't know. But you were quick to create a scene about how overqualified you are when you cannot even handle the most important assets, people's data. My dear, for your information, if you desire to run, you must first learn to walk.
You know, I still have like 1,001 places I would like us to go to.
Well, not everyone is as privileged as you are to be self-employed. So, it's time to say goodnight.
I don't want to say goodnight. I am really into you, Helen. And I want you to always be happy by my side.
I am already by your side and I'm happy here.
You know what? Just one more place. One more place and we're done for the night, okay? Please.
Come on. Then I'll wake up late tomorrow and it will be difficult for me to get a bus that will commute me to the office. And also I would get carried.
How about this? I am an early riser, so You give me a time, I'll show up. I'll, take you to work.
No. I mean, I wouldn't want to stress you like that.
I'll do anything for you, right?
I know, and I don't want to take advantage of it.
So, tell me about work. You haven't said anything about it. How's that going?
It's going pretty well, but I mean, it's the same old, sorting data, managing everything. Let's just enjoy our time together and leave boring office gist.
Oh, really? Spending time with me is precious. I like that.
So I have to go now.
No, stay some more. Just a little longer. 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Are you sure? Don't make it 20 from 10.
Hey, were you employed there to work or sleep?
Excuse me?
Oh, please. The CEO has been looking for you. Maybe I should even tell her you're far away in the dreamland.
Yes, now that she's here. Stella, how does a normal distribution work in this insurance setting?
A normal. Hey, Jesus.
You don't know it?
No, I know it. Let me explain. That's what I'm doing. Normal what again? Normal distribute. It's normal now.
Do you know it?
I believe it's a continuous probability distribution of random variables whose logarithms are usually distributed. We use it to determine the size of the distribution since it is positively skewed and varies from 0 to infinity.
Exactly the same thing I was about saying.
Will you shut up? Shut up and get out of my office!
I know it.
I said, come on, get out of my office! Helen, please get me my lunch.
Okay,
Hey, Jiro.
Yeah?
Madam said I should get lunch for her. Would you be needing anything?
I never knew that cleaners also run around. Anyways, I'm hungry. You need to get us food. At least we that do the real work in the company needs to eat. Hey, Jiro. She should also get you food as well. Take, go and get us food.
Stella, why are you so hard on her?
What is it? Which one is why am I hard on her? I mean, she doesn't do any meaningful job in this company. Do you know that this girl was even sleeping when I went to call her for madam?
Stella.
Stella what? Don't worry, your secret is safe with us. At least nobody will know that you sleep and snore. That's the only thing you know. Is there any other thing? Were you not sleeping when I went to call you? I beg, go and get us food. My dear, take the money and go and get the food. And don't waste my time.
Your lunch is on your table.
I hope you got the order correctly. The toilet is a bit messy, so go clean it up in case somebody else wants to use it.
The toilet can be messy. I just cleaned it now.
I am not faulting your cleaning. I'm only saying you should go clean the toilet. Do your job. You are employed to work. Work! Please, excuse me.
Madam, you've taken your bait twice since you came back. What's in the happen? You enter gutter, you enter lagoon.
I wish I entered gutter.
So which is it?
If you see that Stella girl, that
Which of
girl.
them? Which one? Oh, Miss Pepe, your firm. What happened to her?
Can you believe that this girl messed up the toilet and she didn't clean it just to spite me?
I did not change it for her.
Right after she made me buy lunch for her.
You like anybody, whoa? I did not change it for her. My guy, you did fuck up. Oh. So what did you now do?
Well, dear, nothing. I just feel like my hands are tied. I mean, who would side with a cleaner that is in loggerhead with a higher ranking staff?
You see, that's the mindset that's so fucked up. That's bullshit, guy. Like, why would you just come to a workplace and you start bullying people? It doesn't make sense. If now me, I go give am woto as they hot. You should not fit try am with me now.
I'll just give her a warning.
You give her a warning. Go and hug her instead. In fact, if you reach there, you peck her or buy her tea. Do you understand? See, my guy, violence upon violence. As they hot, just they clear am. You know, say she no fit try am with me now. As they hot, I they give am straight as she won't make her do am. Because I don't understand why somebody will want to bully me inside my own workplace. And I'm so sure that the same salary which they collect, now the same one way they collect too. Till they tell me, please.
So after giving her violence upon violence, when they sack me, you go shall buy gun where you go use go thief to pay rent, abi?
There are other ways to teach a person a lesson. You can do it low-key, undercover. You understand? But at least you will collect. That's the main aim, collect.
Tax collector.
It's not your fault. It's you that will still come and frown face. Don't follow me frown face
Nobody
again.
tells them I do this work.
Hey, you do am. Oh, okay. We go come find wetin we go take chop now for us, abi?
You know, with the way you dress, your neighbors must think you have a fancy job.
Well, thank you for the compliment. I didn't know I looked that good.
And who is complimenting you, please?
Wait. I told you to leave it. What is wrong with you?
Gotcha.
Seriously.
It's better. wait, hold on. Sorry, let me get that for you, okay? Hold still. Yeah, there you go.
Stop. What is wrong with you?
What?
I just knew that having you in this kitchen is a terrible idea.
Really now?
You can't even cook and yet you're disturbing me.
Hey, no, don't say that. Don't say that. I do know how to cook, okay? I've been inviting you over to my place so I can spoil you silly in my comfort zone, but you keep refusing.
I am not coming to your place.
Hey, you know, I really need to understand what the problem is here. Is it that you're worried that my cooking will rip yours to shreds, or you're just afraid of seeing my mom?
Me? Afraid of who?
You keep saying that, but every time it comes up, you keep, evading the conversation.
Why don't you cook here? You can go ahead and make the jollof rice.
But that was the agreement we had initially, until you came in, started hovering around the kitchen, and now you've practically taken over the cooking.
Well, that is your fault, not mine. And
You don't expect me to just sit and watch while you do everything wrongly.
Okay, now, young lady, that is a challenge. Now, young lady, slow down because that is a challenge. So what will happen is you will give me your office address. I will make my special jollof rice and have it delivered to you. How about that?
I'll text it to you later.
Well, I don't understand. You pretending you don't know your office address. What's the problem?
I'll text it to you so you don't forget. Monday is too far.
Not so considerate, girl. But your boyfriend is a genius. So I'll put in the address.
Okay. Lawson Avenue.
Number
16. But please, call before coming because I might be busy and my boss, she's very strict. So, no surprises.
16 Lawson Avenue. Okay. I think I need my phone to put that down. Don't want to forget
I
that.
thought someone said he's a genius.
Well, every genius knows that the best way to retain information is to put it down, right? So.
Just look at that.
What? Helen, you lied to him. Why? What are you thinking?
Babe, can you calm down? You're being dramatic.
I'm being dramatic. How? Okay, wait. What if this guy goes to a random office with jollof rice on Monday? What would you say about that?
He will call me before going. Look, everything just happened so suddenly. I didn't even know what I was saying or what I was thinking. So please just calm down, please.
So when he calls you, what would you say?
That I'm not at the office, that my boss sent me somewhere. There are a lot of things I can say. I just have to get through each day.
I just feel like we should come out clean. It.
Eh? Come out clean. How? Tell him what? That I'm a cleaner. Are you for real?
What's wrong with you being a cleaner, please?
So I should come out and tell him that the co-founder of the fastest rising tech company is dating a cleaner. Come on, Miriam, you can do better than
The guy
that.
loves you, bro. Go girl. Don't allow me to say wrong words, please. The guy loves you. So even if you're a cleaner or you're a conductor, doesn't matter.
Babe, I'm sure you know that if love was the only thing that a relationship needs to thrive, then the society will suffer less heartbreaks and divorce rates.
I want to be living fake life. So it's fake life that will get you to the point of where you want to be.
Okay.
Eat your food now.
I know they eat, I've lost my appetite.
Because of Adam.
So this food you're eating will soon choke you. You and that, Adam.
I'm sorry.
What are you doing there? What the heck are you doing there? What are you looking for?
Ma, I was trying to clean out the drawers.
What are you looking for inside the drawers? What?
Ma, I haven't touched any document that you instructed me not to touch. I was only cleaning out.
That particular drawer contains very confidential documents. My friend, get out! Get out this minute! Get out of my sight! Don't ever go close to that drawer anymore.
Hello, babe.
Hello?
Girl, I'm in hot soup.
Can't you talk to me? What's going on? Calm down now.
Arisen wants to come and pick me from my office.
Okay, it's already the end of work, so why can't he?
Are you for real? I gave him a wrong address now.
Oh, right. You could literally just tell him that you were sent to evaluate to work, yeah? Far, far away from the office. And when you're done, you just take a bus home. I guess that sounds better.
Okay, I'll tell him that. But I just hope he doesn't insist on seeing me. You know how loved up he can get. You know what? I think I'll just tell him to wait for me in the house so he doesn't get too suspicious.
That sounds nice. He can head over. I'm already at home, okay?
Okay, thank you. God, who did this? How did this happen? What kind of problem is this? Now what do I do?
Honestly, I really don't know why Ollie likes stressing herself. I offered to pick her up at the office, but no. She said something about already being in a bus.
Yeah, and the thing is, I just hope she doesn't get back late, yeah? Because the traffic at that route is something else.
Perhaps I'll just give her a call, tell her to, drop off at the next junction. I'll go pick her up.
No, why? No, it's not necessary. It's not like you can't actually call her, but the thing is, you know how these buses can be so dangerous, especially taking calls and disclosing a location. It's not nice. You can just wait, or better still, I'll let you know when she gets back.
Not a problem. You know what? I'll send her a message then.
Yeah, that sounds perfect.
Thanks, Miriam.
Bye, Arinze. This girl wants to take me to a fire. She wants to take me to a fire. How far now? What's happening? What's going on? Hey. Helen, how did this get wet?
I went to the restroom to change and found it like that.
Was it flooded or something? I don't understand. Ha!
Someone is playing pranks on me, but my God passed them.
Wow. Sorry. Are you okay? That must be Arinze.
Yes. Should I call him?
And tell him what? Hello? You're meant to be in the bus. And you want me to play conductor and passenger right now? Don't do that to me, please.
Well, he wants me to meet him halfway. Should I just get dressed and meet him at the junction?
Just do your brains. Okay, there's nothing I'm just going to tell you. There is no harm in going on a vacation, alright? I mean, you can just try. What do you want me to tell you?
God, I'm so tired. I'm like literally so stressed out. Did you cook?
Did I cook? I cooked though, but I just used to give my food to Liar.
Please. I'm hungry. Get me food, I beg.
I'm coming, okay? Just take it easy. I'm coming.
Okay.
Is you done for the day?
Yes, so I need to start rushing out before traffic will arrest me.
That is so true. Okay, so do you have any trash?
Trash? I doubt. No, not at all. I don't at all.
Stella, do you have any trash? Stella, I am emptying the trash bin for the last time today. Do you have any trash?
Are you this daft? Why is it that you find it very hard to understand something? I mean, that you're jobless doesn't mean that everybody should be like you. Please, my head is exploding here and you're talking trash. Get out.
How did such a simple question trigger those?
Helen, please. Don't be angry. She has been on some tough valuation now for like 3 days. And Madam said she has to turn it in before leaving. So please, it's not her fault. Don't be angry. Just leave her. Please. Okay. Just...
Stella, please, can you give me an estimated time of when you'll be done? I need to lock up since you don't have a spare key.
I will be done when I will be done.
Can you please just give me an estimate? Someone is waiting for me.
Can you just shut up? And be quiet for once. Wait, do you think I was joking when I said my head was exploding earlier? I mean, look at the calculations. They are all entangled. And the spreadsheet messed up. Please, just let me be. Oh.
Can I take a look?
You think it's a child's play?
You seem to have forgotten that I applied for this role. Okay, let's see. Good. Oh, okay, so this is where the problem lies. We ignored the constants and it messed up the whole thing. Just 1 minute. There you go. All done.
Wait. How did you do it?
I would have explained further, but I'm pressed for time.
What if the boss asks for review? How do I explain that?
Just give me access to the document and I'll help you if it's urgent. Here is my email.
Okay, please wait. Thanks for your service.
Stella, you never cease to amaze me. I just want to lock up quickly. I didn't do it for your money.
Let's go, my lady. Okay. Easy.
I got this for you.
Okay. Look at me thinking it was something familiar. Wow. Oh, wow. This is lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much. Like, after paying for that sumptuous meal at the restaurant, now you're really starting to outdo me. I'm jealous.
Oh, please. I just wanted to splurge my first salary on you. Thank you so much for being so supportive.
You're welcome. Thank you. Your work, you enjoy it, right?
It's alright. It's just work-like, but it's good.
Work like. You know, it worries me. I remember when you got the job, you were super excited. You're all over the place. And now everything just declined in such a short while. I didn't want to pester you because it seemed like you didn't want to talk about it at first.
Babe, there is really nothing to talk about.
But your eyes say otherwise. Look, Helen, I love you. And I am here for it all. The bad, the worse, the ugly. Here you are, woman.
Okay, my boss, she is not exactly the nicest person, and she's someone I look up to in the industry, so I'm trying to stick it out. And most of my senior colleagues are nasty.
Are you being harassed? Are you being overworked?
No, not exactly. It's just that sometimes my feelings are hurt and I feel less.
That is workplace bullying, you know, right? You're going to have to resign immediately.
Excuse you?
That's workplace bullying. How much are they paying you? Tell me, I'll double it, okay? You have to resign.
What makes you think you can dictate to me? You can't help but flaunt your money, can you? Now, do I look like I'm some desperate gold digger that is desperate to depend on a man?
I didn't mean it that way. I'm only looking out for you.
Oh, please. What if my feelings are hurt from time to time? That doesn't give me the entitlement to laze around at home just because I have a man.
Alright. I'm sorry, okay? I really am. I'm in no position to, dictate what you should do. Hey. You have such an independent mindset, and it's one of the reasons I admire you so much. I'm sorry, okay? I'm your partner in this, not your boss or some dictator.
I'm also sorry for going off like that.
I love you. And I will do everything to keep you safe and happy. Plus, I will honor you with all of my heart.
I shared some documents to you. Check your mail and point out the corrections.
You want me to do your job for you?
You are not doing my job. I'm paying for it.
Look, Stella, if I need a side hustle, I know where to apply for it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you can't do your job, then seek clarifications from the higher-ups, not me.
Oh, wait. You think I don't know my job? Eh? I know my job and I can do it perfectly well. See, I'm only trying to help you exercise your brain so it doesn't get stagnated. I am an exceptional actuarial accountant, you must know.
Well then, if you're so good at it, then do it yourself. Stop bothering me.
Really? It looks like you just missed a spot. Do your job. I don't need the help of a mere cleaner. Just know your place and act accordingly. Rubbish. What?
Oh, we have a dustbin.
Did the cleaner tell you she won't do her job? Won't you do your job?
Stella, pick them up.
I should do your job for you? I can't touch those trash. I mean, I have fleets of maids that do that for me at home. Do your job. You were paid for this.
You must be out of your bloody mind. You must think I'm a fool, don't you? With all the silly games you play around here.
What did I do?
Are you a baby? Who in his or her right senses empties a bag of trash on the floor? Look, I am so ready to send you back to the mental home which I'm sure you escaped from if you don't start cleaning these things right now. Start picking this up right now. I'm trying to just pick it up. Let it be the first and the last time you try this. I am nobody's slave here. I clean up after you every day. I go home with body aches. Sometimes I even miss lunch. I run your errands, yet my job is the most on the mind.
You don't eat chicken skin?
No, ma.
Why? Is that a trending thing for you ladies now?
I doubt. I just don't like it.
You don't like it? It's okay. But please, ensure you don't stain the environment.
I won't, Mom.
How furious the client was? No, do you want to bring down my insurance firm?
I'm sorry, ma. I evaluated and edited the slides, but...
But what? What are you trying to explain? You decided to give them wrong estimates, exposing us to the risk of a lawsuit. And how dare you give me excuses? How dare you?
I'm sorry, ma. I'm not making excuses. Helen here must have missed it up. She's the only one that has access to the document aside the two of us.
I can see you girls don't have value for your jobs. Oh yes, you don't have value for your job.
No, ma. I was working on it when she came and said she wanted to lock up. She offered to help. I said no. She wanted to prove that she's qualified for the job, so I let her. sorry, ma. She asked me to pay her and I refused. I think she tampered with the figures because I refused to pay her. Say the truth now.
But that's not true. I handed off the documents immediately after reviewing them.
Were you given access to those documents?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you offer to work on them or eventually worked on them?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you paid for the service?
No, ma. I didn't do it to get paid.
Okay. You wanted to show yourself. Then realized you're overqualified for the role you were handed. Then you decided to sabotage everything. Oh, goodness.
Helen, just say the truth. Why are you doing it? You would have just told me to pay you and I would have given you the money instead of sabotaging my job. What did I do to you?
Now you would get out of my office. Get out of my office! Wait, get out!
Good morning, Ma.
Yes.
I took this to the HR and I was asked to bring it to you directly.
A resignation letter.
Yes, Mom.
I assume you have gotten a more befitting role elsewhere.
No, Ma.
So what is it about?
I have always looked up to you, Ma. And I was so foolish for not recognizing you the very first day we met. But I would gladly accept the price I'm paying for that mistake.
Is this an expression of guilt?
Not exactly, Ma. I just don't do so well with false accusations. I take pride in the competence and dignity of my job, paid or unpaid. I'm truly sorry for my bad manners and for meddling where I shouldn't have.
Listen, I don't get involved in petty dramas. If you know whatever issues you have with Stella, go and sort it out. And don't let it affect my livelihood.
You knew?
You might have a smart mouth, but you are no fool. Those mistakes were too clumsy for a person of your intelligence. You think I built this without being meticulous and considerate about humans? You think so?
I'm sorry, Mom.
You should still show remorse about intermeddling where you shouldn't do. Go and check where you were wrong and decide your punishment. If after reflecting on what you have done and still decide you want to tender your resignation letter, I will not refuse it.
Okay, I'll do that, Ma. Thank you.
Meanwhile, I'm not particular about your tears. Save them for your pillow.
Okay, Ma. Thank you.
So what's this one saying?
You were able to bring in before the other man said that. Thank you, it's correct.
So what is this thing?
Good morning, Mom.
Your resignation letter.
No, Mom. It's the punishment I believe I deserve for meddling.
Can you shift?
Sorry, Mom.
Fair enough. You want to remedy your mistake without payment. Stella,
Yes, ma'am.
hand over the file and all documents concerning Glencoe Fire Insurance.
Okay.
Make sure you turn it in before the end of the week.
Yes, ma'am.
And don't let it affect your office duties.
You want to? Okay, ma'am.
Helen, when you gain access into those documents, block everyone else not to gain access to it.
Okay, ma'am.
You will be held responsible for any error. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
See? Are you ready? What's wrong?
Are you sure about this? I mean, are you sure she would like me?
Come on. My mother has been dying to meet with you. She loves you already.
So you're sure she would accept me even though I'm not rich?
Look, even if you happen to be a waitress, it doesn't matter. You're accepted already. You're the woman our son is in love with. And now, right where you look absolutely breathtaking.
Thank you.
Shall we? Welcome. This way. Now, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
So I'll get my mother now.
Okay.
I want you to come and see somebody special. Easy. I want you to meet the love of my life. Helen, my mother.
You.
She's your mother?
Yes.
A small world, isn't it?
Wait, the two of you know each other?
Yes. She's my employee. She's a cleaner in my company.
A cleaner?
Yes, a cleaner.
Helen. 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 Helen, wait. What was that about? You've been lying to me?
Yes. Yes, I've been lying to you and deceiving you all this while. I applied to become an actuarial accountant only for me to end up becoming a cleaner just because of a simple mistake I made.
And you didn't think to say anything?
So that what? So you can pull some strings and rub your connections in my face? Or even tell me to quit so you can double what I earn?
Or you prefer to lie and deceive me instead?
It's better than being looked down on.
Looked down on? Have I ever?
Look, even if you don't, everyone else will. Your friends, your mom, the society will look down on me.
And what about my love for you? You would rather listen to what people would say, create an exaggerated scenario in your head over the love I feel for you?
Arinze, look, love is not the only thing that keeps a relationship.
Yes. Well, then you're right. Love is not enough. You need honesty, vulnerability, and understanding. Not lies and insecurity.
I can't believe it. What a small world.
Out of all the mothers in the world, why did it have to be her?
Baby, he doesn't even have a right to choose his own mother, you know, right?
Miriam, you see that woman? She's definitely out to ruin my life, my career, my relationship that I just started.
So, do you want to leave Arinze because his mother is your boss?
I'm not even in the position to make a decision right now. If you were in his shoes, would you continue dating your mother's cleaner?
You see, the issue here is not that he's angry that you are a cleaner. He's just hurt that you lied to him.
Babe, I was just helpless. I couldn't bring myself to tell him that.
Then that's not love. Love is true, babe. And if you can't tell the truth and be vulnerable about your insecurities, then that's unfair to your partner.
Miriam, look, I don't think you understand. I have literally been alone all my life, hustling through. And people are always ready to look down on me and take advantage of me at the slightest weakness that they see.
Helen, those were people. This is Arinze, and he loves you. You have to start believing that you're worthy of his love. If not, you just frustrate this guy.
Babe, do you think he will ever forgive me?
He will, because he loves you. Okay? Look, there are tests to love, and that's fame, money, and status. All these things crumble at the face of love. Just give it time, it will come around, okay? I'm sorry. It's okay, it's okay.
Drinking? That's a new one. You're serious about her, right? Listen, that young lady is a driven, independent woman. She struggled to accept that role, so don't judge her.
I would like to know why you took a particular interest in her. You're not the type to keep undeserving employees around for the fun of it.
There's something about that girl.
Did you give her a hard time, Mom? Because I remember she used to return so drained and unmotivated.
Look at you, interrogating your mother. I thought you were angry she lied to you.
I love her, Mom. I really do love her. And the thing is, she hasn't even let me in fully. I just really wish she would let me help her. You know, do something for her. At least use my influence to make life easier for her.
Don't even dare. You cannot force a strong-willed woman to do anything. Else you will hurt yourself.
So what am I supposed to do? Just sit back and watch her navigate through the rough hurdles?
You can love her into trusting you. Once a woman trusts her man, she can't help herself. You forgot to grant me access to the documents you turned in earlier.
I'm sorry, Ma. I'll do that now.
I hope I won't be getting another resignation letter from you, will I? Good. I believe you're smart enough to separate your personal life from your work.
Yes, Mom.
Helen, you can be whatever outside, but you see in here, you're my employee. I won't go easy on you for any personal reasons.
Yes, Mom.
And don't forget to grant me access to the documents.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You know you can't deceive me, right? I'm sure you're not. How is work today? And did your boss act anyhow today?
Surprisingly, she didn't. She even said I shouldn't let personal feelings interfere with work.
Are you for real? You know, that woman is full of surprises. I keep saying this because if I have a boss like that, wow. What about Arinze? Has he come around?
I went to his office today, but he wasn't around, and he has not been taking my calls. I just hope I'm not coming off as desperate.
How? Babe, it's not you being desperate. You persisting, it's your way of sending an apology across. Alright, just give him some time. He will come around, okay?
But you know how much I hate being in the wrong. Like, it's weighing on me so heavily. I just wish I had something that would distract me from all of this.
Okay then. Well, some good news though.
What good news can I possibly get in this situation?
You know, Ellen, one thing I notice is that I'm always noticing is when you have small issue like this, you feel like the world is over. Why?
Is it not?
How? You better calm down, no. There are so many good news you could listen to, and I'm sure it will cheer you up, except you are not a good listener of good things. Well, a Canadian company offered me, moi, employment.
What?
Yes. And you know what? They're going to process my PR and everything. Imagine that. No middleman, no agents. Like agent and Jawala, there is no agent. The only thing that's there for me is to just save up and get my tickets. And your girl is gone.
Oh my god. Oh my god, congratulations, baby girl.
Thank you.
When did this happen?
2 days ago.
2 days ago. And you kept it to yourself.
Excuse you. You've been the one moody for 2 days. What were you expecting? I was just trying to be sensitive, I beg.
Oh, please. To hell with sensitivity. My girl is literally about to live her dreams. Baby girl. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you,
But
baby.
you're leaving me. I'm not happy about that. But
We're still together. And you could come visiting, you know
I
that, right?
wish. It's like it's that easy, but I will.
Mom, I remember you said to me that the therapist you used to see asked you to do away with the picture.
I can't do away with it. I can't forget them. I can't. I won't forget them. My daughter and my only sister, I won't forget them. I won't forget them. Get me the blue diary from the drawer.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think you're doing? What is wrong with you?
Ma,
You said I should get the blue diary and the picture is...
Oh, shut up! Shut up! Shut that thing you call mouth! Shut it up! Must you be this strong-headed? How did your mother even cope with this, your rebellious attitude during your teenagehood?
I was orphaned when I was 9.
What? Now I see. Give it to me. And get out. Walk, be smart and get out. Be smart for once. Oh, please. I see where your silly attitude is coming from. Nonsense.
Mom, you need to slow down this period. Perhaps you could, take a trip somewhere so you could rest.
I'm not going anywhere to escape this pain. Don't waste your money, Arinze.
Mom, I can't stand seeing you like this. Can you do it for me, please?
It's all my fault. I should be able to bear this much. Maybe this is as a punishment.
No, it's okay. There was nothing you could have done about it. It's not your fault.
She was my child. My child, Arinze, she was my child. I'm supposed to protect her. It's my job to protect her, not hers. Arinze, I think you should be going. I shouldn't be doing this in the office. Anyone can walk in here.
Excuse me, ma. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have lied to you that way. I'm really sorry.
I'm sorry it took me a while to come around. I just had to process everything. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
And my mom, hope she's not in any way...
No. Everything is just great. We're keeping things professional.
Are you telling me the truth?
Honestly, I thought we were cool at first. She was even the person that suggested that we keep things professional, but your mom is the most unpredictable woman I know. She suddenly started acting irritable and said a lot of insensitive things to me. It took every ounce of strength in me not to give her a piece of my mind. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have spoken about your mom that way.
It's fine. Look, I'm being a boyfriend now, not a son. Besides, you've never ranted to me this way before. Look, my mom, she may continue to react the same way for a while. Don't take it to heart.
I expected the reaction from her, but I'm just surprised it took her that long.
Look, trust me, it has nothing to do with the two of us.
Then what?
My mom lost two very important people in her life at this time of the year. So she's never really herself.
I had no idea.
She may seem tough on the outside, but the truth is, my mom is scaling more hurdles than she would like to admit inside.
I'm really sorry. For these people to be this important to your mom, they must have been important to you too. So sorry.
Sorry, baby.
What's going on?
I think Madam must have lost a deal or something. She has been so upset this week. She just fired Shem.
She fired the head of communications.
I mean, is that even normal? She just fired that poor boy without even blinking. I mean, all these rich people and their mentality, they just act like deities.
I thought you were rich.
I mean other rich people. I mean, she's so bitchy.
Please watch your mouth. What are you saying?
What? You want to go and snitch to her? Miss Goody Two Shoes. I beg me. I mean, everybody in HR says she's like that sometimes, so why can't I call a spade a spade?
Remember that she's someone's mother and she pays your salary. The least you can do is tame your gossiping tongue and have some respect.
Just shut up. You think Saidi will make her promote you? You're a common cleaner and that's what you keep doing. Know your place, Helen. You are a cleaner. Go and do your job. What are you even doing here? Who brought you here?
Come on, that's too harsh.
I beg. Go to your position.
Stella! Stella! Stella!
Yes, ma.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? What is this? Stella, day in, day out, you submit to me half-baked, poorly researched, unprofessional valuation. What is wrong with you? Shut up! Shut up! Don't talk while I'm talking. What is wrong with you? You think I built this firm by bankrolling incompetent illiterates?
No, ma, I did the research. I did it.
Oh, yes, you did it. You did it, but you can't go beyond your level of intelligence. What is wrong with you? You don't even make any attempt to work on yourself.
Ma, please, I will redo it. I will be more thorough this time, please.
No, I don't think I have the patience with you anymore. No, you don't suit the role.
Ma, please, I beg you in the name of Almighty God, don't sack me. My family depends on my salary. If you sack us, we'll die of hunger, please.
Oh, really? So I should be paying you for your incompetency. I should be paying you fat salary for your incompetency.
Ma, that's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that you should give me a second chance. I will improve, I promise. I will be more thorough with my job this time, please. Just give me another chance, please, ma.
Just look at.
I'm sorry.
Just look at. You know what? The HR will give you a warning letter for the very last time. I mean for the very last time. Take this rubbish away from here.
I'm sorry, ma. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Just go get out of my sight. I'm not even hungry for today. Just scrap it, please.
Yes, ma, but I got you this instead.
What is this?
This is tiger nut milk. It's very refreshing and it relieves stress.
Oh, that's thoughtful of you. Thank you. I actually don't want to take anything today.
What? You have a picture of my younger self?
That's a mistake. That's my sister.
That's a picture of me.
You?
This is a picture of my mom and I.
You must be making a mistake. That was my sister.
My memories of her were faint, but definitely not forgotten. She was in a coma for some time after we had an accident. And my foster parents and I would always visit her until she gave up the ghost. This is the same picture. It's a picture of me and my mom.
My God! Come see! Come see, Yochuku! Come see!
Why? How do you know that name? It's just my mom that calls me that name.
I'm your mom. Come see! Come see, Yochuku, I'm your mom! That's my sister!
What are you saying?
I'm your...
I would have sworn this was a prank. But looking at you faced, what on earth is going on, Helen?
Miriam, I have no clue. I honestly wish I could explain.
Did she tell you what this incision marks is all about?
I didn't ask.
Make it make sense. You were told your mother died in an accident. Okay, so where was she all this time and you were in the custody of another woman?
She said they were sisters.
Blood sisters.
I don't know. She just said sisters.
It still doesn't make sense to me. Where was she all this time? You were all alone. It doesn't make sense. I don't understand.
Oh God. I really don't. I don't know anything anymore.
So what happens now? What's she making up for? What's the excuse she's making up for?
I have no idea. I didn't wait for any explanations. I couldn't stand there to listen to anything she has to say.
Oh, Ellen. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm sorry you have to go through all this.
Miriam, I am so confused right now.
I know.
I mean, what becomes of my life? What becomes of my career, my relationship, everything that I've known? This is all just so messed up. What should I do?
Okay. You'll get to sort it out, okay? On your own. Just take your time. It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry. Right?
How are you? I tried calling you several times. I guess you've been pretty occupied. It's okay. It's okay. I heard you haven't been coming to the office. You're avoiding her.
I don't know what to say to her. I don't know what to feel about this whole thing. I can't even comprehend how to accept this.
I'll say take your time. Take as much time as you need. But also put into consideration that she's in as much turmoil as you are. But take your time. When you're ready, you go to see her.
Why do I have to do that? Can't we just keep living as strangers? I mean, she can't just show up at will and expect anything from me.
No, Helen. She's not just showing up at will. She's been hurting. Everybody told her to give up. But she didn't. She kept on looking. She kept on digging, searching. And she's been plagued by nightmares, guilt. Look, you have every right to feel the way you are, okay? Your feelings are valid.
You're not the only one hurting, she's hurting too. And look at it this way. You deserve to know the truth, as she deserves to tell it.
I can't let her come and turn my life upside down. Now I'm supposed to give up on my job, my relationship,
No. We don't have to give up our relationship.
So am I to continue dating my brother? I have been committing incest, all thanks to her.
Look, yeah, I'm your brother, technically, but not biologically. Yeah. She adopted me when I was 12 years old. I guess the loneliness almost drove her insane, and she needed someone in her life. Trust me, she was a wreck. Much more than what she is today.
So how come you never opened up about this?
She was good to me. She was the best. She treated me way better than my biological mother could ever have. Maybe it was comfort, maybe it was denial, I don't know. I just got okay with letting people know she was my mother.
Now I have so much more questions.
And you deserve all the answers. It's okay.
My sister. My sister was the only family I had when we lost our parents. She gave me everything. Everything a girl needed to survive. But I selfishly lived on my own terms. And I let her down countlessly.
Did you abandon me with her?
No. Never. Yes. I was ashamed and disappointed that I was pregnant as an undergraduate. But I loved you the moment I set my eyes on you. Your arrival made me forget all the backlash from the public. It even bonded my sister and I better.
But how do I have such faint memories about you?
My sister will always put me first, before herself. She insisted I continue my study. You stay with her while I'm in school. But we're always together during your holiday.
So someone put you first, but you didn't put your own child first.
I did. What I did for us. And that name was a midwife. She took care of all our needs with her meager salary. I needed to complete my studies just to better our lives. There was so much bills to pay. God, your health. You fell sick a lot as a child. We tried various drugs and treatments, but it got worse. Adani suggested we go for a traditional healing method. They said it was Akmaobi.
What is that?
Enlargement of the lungs. Adani was familiar with it. The traditionalists treated you by making several incisions on your chest. That's why you have those marks.
Wait, wasn't that dangerous?
It is. But we're acting on the limited medical knowledge we had. We're desperate. You were always in pain. We just wanted to put an end to it.
So she saved my life.
Yes. Yes, she did. But complications arose while I was in school. She took you to go and see another traditionalist. And on her way back, it took us several months to trace her corpse after the accident. I searched everywhere. I searched all the orphanages. I had to relocate to that area. I questioned every living being there. The guilt of my daughter being all alone somewhere almost ripped me open. No amount of donations to orphanages could take that off.
A couple took me in after the accident. They believed that I was orphaned and they couldn't leave me out on the streets. We moved away from that area shortly after.
That must have been very difficult for you.
It wasn't long before the marriage broke up. The lady blamed me for bringing bad luck to her family. So I had to leave and fend for myself. But I always held them dearly. They were the only parents I ever knew.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Maybe I could have done better. Searched. Sorry.
You did your best. I'm just happy that I wasn't abandoned intentionally.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Like mother, like daughter.
So that was why you asked the other day.
My sister thought it was a bad habit, and she teased me with it. I'm surprised to see someone else with my bad habit.
No, small world, right? Oh, didn't know it was this late.
Oh my God.
Oh.
I need to hurry. It's so late.
Must you go? You have barely touched your food.
I can just do takeaway.
Please, stay the night. Please.
I don't know.
You don't have to show up in the office tomorrow. Yes. The week has been a roller coaster, so you can just slip it in.
Okay. I'll just let Miriam know.
Miriam?
Yes, my roommate.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, but I'll do that after dinner.
You're going to check up on her again?
Just to see if she's comfortable.
You've done that 3 times already.
The pillows, she might need them.
Mom, she has enough already. Besides, she's already fast asleep.
Arinze, do you think I'm choking her? Or maybe I'm doing too much?
No, you're doing fine. In fact, you're doing amazingly well. She sees your heart. She understands you.
Maybe we should ask her to move in. Who knows what her living condition is?
Well, she's doing okay. She has a nice and comfortable apartment.
At least let me see it myself. She's been doing this herself. I need to be there for her.
Well, I understand you, but you also need to let time take its course. You don't want to overwhelm her by rushing her. And remember, she's still digesting everything that's happening.
You don't know how happy I am, Arinze. I feel my sister has forgiven me. For me to just see my daughter just like that after 17 years. Oh God. I still can't believe my daughter is in a room across over there. You never can tell, but I tell her to move in and she will move in.
Oh, it's okay. You need to go and rest now. It's
Okay.
okay. You go.
Good night, then.
Good night.
It's not a bad place, you know.
Well, I am not doing it alone. I have an amazing friend.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
You must be Miriam.
Yes, mama, I'm Miriam. I'm your Ellen's mom, I guess.
Yes, I'm her mom.
Okay, since you both have already introduced yourself, I must add that Miriam right here has been more than a friend and a sister.
Come on now. She has been the one taking care of us, ma. Don't believe her. She has been the one taking care of us.
Mom, don't mind her humility. Miriam here has shouldered our bill for 4 years while I jump hunted.
Wow. Miriam, I appreciate that. Thank you.
No problem, ma.
So tell me, what do you do?
Okay, well, currently, ma, I work at the media and communication firm, but also I plan on relocating soon.
Miriam right here is such a lucky genius. She already has a job that has agreed to be responsible for getting her a PR. She just has to take care of her flight fees.
Oh, that shouldn't be a problem then. We can help her fix it. Oh yes, we have this bonus from Ethiopia Airline after a business deal. And there is 5 flight tickets. You can have one. Yes, you can.
Thank you, ma. But I can't accept.
Oh, come on. I'm not even lifting a finger.
Oh, thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay.
I've always thought that employers should invest more in their employees. I mean, it yields high results in the long run.
Yes, I agree with you. But you know how humans can be unpredictable sometimes. You train some of them. When they think they are now the master of the game, they'll take off.
True. And the employers are now left hanging dry.
Exactly.
Either ways, we're dealing with risks. That is life. However, we can put some regulations to caution against our losses. Something like binding contract and penalty for breach.
That's a good one. We're going to implement that. Meanwhile, how about the HR appointing you as the new MD from next week?
Well, I'd be so honored. But I think I want to work my way up there.
What do you mean? You're very intelligent and incredible.
Maybe. But the fact remains that I haven't worked for 4 years and I'd love to work under experienced people for a while before being handed such a huge responsibility.
If you say so. But I hope you're not afraid that the people will start thinking that I'm giving my daughter unusual advantage because you deserve it.
Well, about that, I think it's best we don't let people know yet. Let's just keep things more professional.
Well, that's okay. I respect it if that's what I want.
Thank you.
Wow. So you have just been hiding this big brain of yours. You see, I have never seen anyone maneuver excel in my whole life. Did you even school in this country?
And who says every Tom, Dick and Harry can afford to travel abroad?
My dear, most of my skills are self-taught. Thank God for internet.
You know what? At this rate, you'll be getting promoted every year.
Oh.
So you think companies dish out promotions like chocolate bars? Yes? It is done by seniority. Knowing one or two about Excel doesn't mean you're an expert.
Stella, just say you are jealous.
Jealous of who? This one. She should just pray that Madame doesn't get in her bad mood today. If not, she will be back to cleaning windows and dusting tables.
Haba, Stella.
I beg.
That's too harsh.
Let me hear a word. I'm just being honest.
You have to go?
Yes, it's late. I'm sure she's calling to know when I'm coming back home. But, look, why don't you move in with us? She's mentioned it to you. Look at it this way. You can't keep staying here alone, especially now that Miriam has traveled. Come on, move in with us.
You think it's going to be easy for us to be sneaking into each other's room to make out? Well, mothers get very defensive when their children are cohabiting, if you don't know.
So you would rather stay here alone? Really? Wait. Are you in any way signaling me to propose?
What? You're not serious?
Well, that's a beautiful idea. I mean, it's what I've always wanted. The thing is, I'd have to buy a new house, for us to raise our family. Yeah.
You have to stop that.
What?
My mother and I just found each other, and you are here already thinking about how to separate us again.
Well, the truth is, you belong to me. Now, if she wants a piece of you, she should tag along. Because you are mine.
This, she will love this.
Yes, okay. I'll have it forwarded to the beach house and take it from there. Yes, so the documents, yeah,
Yes,
we will, I'll make sure the clients, they get it. And,
Okay.
yes, I'm sure they'll love it. They'll love it.
Are you both now closing secret deals?
Aren't you supposed to be working, young lady?
That is exactly why I'm here. Now, can I see the documents you're showing our clients? I need to make sure that you are not a competition.
Interesting. If I show you those documents, you would have to work on them and turn them in tonight.
Okay, sir.
Arinze, are you trying to overwork my daughter?
Yeah.
No, this is the fight though.
Why are you acting acting like you just seen a ghost.
Please go.
What is it? What? What happened?
I am doomed. My own is finished. I need to just start looking for a job in another firm. God.
Okay. What happened? What?
Helen.
What about her?
Helen is boss's daughter.
You have started with this your idle talk again.
I am not joking. I'm serious. I heard it with my ears. Yes. Hey, true.
That means they must have been testing us all along.
How? What do you mean?
Haven't you seen in movies where a rich man pretends to be poor to catch evil people?
Ha.
Wow. No wonder she was a cleaner. Despite being that intelligent and beautiful. They must have wanted to get rid of unworthy employees. Oh my goodness.
You know, we are doomed. We are finished. Our own is gone. Hey.
We?
Yes, now.
I'm not doomed.
How?
I have never mistreated Eileen. I always do my job and I mind my business. But you, girl, you need to be worried, though. You even called her mother a bitch.
Shh. Do you want to implicate me more?
That was
It's okay, it's okay. Ichiro, please, I want to beg you. I know she's your friend and she listens to you. Let me speak to her to forgive me. See, it was all a prank, oh. I was pranking. I wasn't serious. All these things that you see, I was just joking. I was not serious, please.
My dear, I cannot help you. I cannot put myself in trouble.
I don't have choice, so you have to help me, Biko. You don't have choice.
I don't have choice.
Please, you have to help me.
When you were busy running your mouth.
Ejiro, please don't do this.
I have to finish this thing. I don't want Madam Mahana.
Mom, you know what? We should just let her go.
No, not now.
Mom, stop.
No, not now.
She needs to know.
Okay.
Alright, so we've been planning this thing
Okay.
for you, like, well, let me just show it to you. So, yeah, we're having a get together right there.
Oh my god! The beach house!
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is the most exotic holiday resort in Nigeria!
Yeah.
I love it! I've been wanting to go there for like ever! Thank you! Thank you, Mama. I love it!
I know.
Trust me, we have loads and loads of things lined up for you. You're going to have amazing.
How did you think of this? Thank you.